operation at the hospital.
Oh, okay. Operation? What sort of thing did you have? Sort of an ingrowing toenail type affair, was it, Jeff? Or?
I had my left testicle removed.
I'm dying inside.
I could sit and listen to you all day. All day.
Oh, but I generally get into it as well.
You'll also be coming up on the show in 6 months' time.
6 months' time.
Little teaser ahead. Remember to tune in. Here we go then.
She blew up the entire radio industry.
Everyone's minds were blown.
Yes.
Oh, the phone's ringing. Hello. Oh yes. Hi, James Rea, the new boss of Heart. You listen to the podcast? Yes. You just heard Pippa.
Yeah, that news.
We're waiting for that news. You know.
No, don't wait for that news.
We're waiting for.
Yeah. That's the noise.
I just need to get it off my chest. Never turn down a sausage fest.
There you are.
Never.
It's not what you think it is. What you don't. I needed to get lubricated before I went on. Do you know, I'm going to ask her to sandwich me in the middle. So I think she starts, then I go on, and then she...
You heard Toby's impression of his dad?
Yeah, I don't think it's a patch on mine.
Do you not?
No, I heard it. It's nowhere near as good as mine.
Yours is very good though, that's the problem.
Because his impression is just...
His impression is
his impression
of you.
of me doing an impression of his dad. But it's not as good as mine. If you were to close your eyes...
Okay.
Your name is... It's a B. B. Bucket.
Do you mean he's not easy to do an impression of?
Well,
like
you've met
Chris
my
Tyre?
dad,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
My dad's a character. You know, Pippa's dad, we don't really know him very well.
His jacket and helps drunk women on Friday night.
Yes.
Luminous
Towels.
Right, seriously.
Come over, darling. I'll give you a lift in my
No,
car.
no.
I mean, he's like a modern day David Hasselhoff.
Alright, 3 minutes past 9, let's get back to the music, because that's what it's all about. Radio X, get into the music in Berlin.
I've done both thumbs and both fingers.
How much you can do just with that amount, and also it gives you space to. It's much more chilled out. It feels almost like kicking by numbers, like Lego next to the beach.
Don't know. Never got
come,
past this.
come on.
Oh shit. Quaint little castles in the sand.
Right.
On
Well,
sand.
it'll rhyme
Right.
with there.
There. Quaint.
One of us friends. Why do you want to make them laugh? Why do you want to win them over? If it's a tour nuance, there's no place for that. And particularly, I mean, you two more than me in a way. At least
And they talk about what created you and why you're all northern and working class, and you know, a bit nervous, and why you're a posh person who probably went and shut her dad's factory down.
Bit where he eats a boiled egg, gets a boiled egg out, and he spends a good 2 or 3 minutes just eating a boiled egg.
And after Hardy's annoyed, certainly not more than me now, right? Although I do think I'm definitely started up more working class than you. We're getting to that, right? But
Yeah, that likes a wig on.
come on.
Someone doesn't know that that's shit, right?
Everything was a swear word. It was it. We were talking about it was so it was like early days of like EU, right? European Union. He went fucking EU. He went common market cheese, can't you know shit. Stretch it out like a
Take
trap.
the lid off the plants, and you're giving a wooden mallet, and all the spiders that you might
Fuck me! No way. Fuck off.
Come on.
That's not true.
It's true.
But that's my worst. That is my
That's
worst.
why I was glad I was at the Bloomington factory, banana factory. Because I would have been in the banana different.
Hold on, wait a minute.
animals.
Aren't these? So these are from presumably the West Indies, and are they poisonous spiders?
They're flattened now. Doesn't matter if you're poisonous or not, mate. You're flat. You're fucking smashed, right?
You must escape.
Hold on, how do they?
It sounds like the Holy Grail.
Yeah, they were just full of packs. Couldn't get him onwards. That was the dream.
Oh, God.
Yeah. People know that it's not immigrants deep down, but I think people. I was a very careful punk. I knew I wasn't allowed to sort of like lead to the air and put safety pins in my face. What I did do was sometimes back comb my hair at weekends with soap. Honestly, it didn't really work with sort of grey flannel trousers and a jumper. But I used to go into town. Yeah, might be punk, might not. Usually the math. Yeah, punk upstairs, downstairs. Then I grew my hair long then through punk. I had long hair, so sort of from 16 to 18, I had quite long hair. Well, first time I did it, I made the mistake of stopping at the chin. So it just looked like I just put my face in a pie. And then I sort of learned to blend it in. But it was new around, yeah, so I was trying to look like David Sylvian from Japan, or Rose from Duran Duran, or then David Bowie, So I was doing that new romantic thing.
Yeah.
But now, but not till sort of 19. And I'm away from home, so I can do what the fuck I want. So it was all mixed up. I went through everything. Skinhead, Madness was for me, Duran Duran. No, then the mid-80s, I went through sort of like lots of the big hair, and I was in things like, this is embarrassing, I was in things like the Jovi. Sure. Yeah. Living on a prayer, boom, stick it on. Got any Bon Jovi? Yeah, we'll stick it on. Put it on. Now I'm too old, really, to be dressing of any sort, really, 25, 6, 24 maybe. Still skinny.
What's the Bon Jovi look at? Is that you ripping your jeans?
Ripping the jeans, yeah.
Snow washed
ripped jeans.
Yes.
Either sneakers or cowboy boots. Sort of those boy t-shirts were big with dog tags, and leather jacket with the fringe cut out like a cowboy. I had that, yeah, made it myself. Got a leather coat from a jumper sale, cut it in half, right, because it was a long coat, so it was like a woman's little cut-off jacket. Exactly, yeah. So, and then I got the leather that I cut off, right, and made a fringe out of it for and glued.
Student bar in Manchester, me and my friend, 15, 16, and must be 15 because we put loads of makeup on to try and get in. But we didn't know what the look was, and we were really into like MGM musicals. And like Marilyn Monroe and Jane Russell. So we set our hair, got little handbags and dressed up, full makeup, like 1950s makeup, and went into this student bar where they were playing like Smiths, rolling those huge t-shirts, that's what reminded me. And we walked in like Jane Russell and Marilyn Monroe.
He had a leather jacket, right? And so I'm on the beach with my trunks on, and I was going to go and get an ice cream or something in the shop. And I said, "Oh, can I borrow your jacket?" And I'd walk back another way. I thought, if there's CCTV, I'll fuck right. Because I'd walk back and I'd leave the shop with like a half-price pie and a blackburn.
I'd missed the last train on the Sunday. It starts to break down your immune system.
They don't find it a lot. So if you don't see it when it happens.
But that's terrifying.
Yeah.
across the grass.
I was doing 10, 11 gigs a week. I was in the middle of somewhere. Side of the stage.
And I went, because I don't do anything like that. I don't do a car.
Crazy
I don't spend this Jane. I said, Jane, have we just bought?
I can get plurality into a sentence.
You get what into sentences?
Plurality.
And you got it.
I can get plurality. Oh, see now.
Oh, it's hard, isn't it?
Yeah, I feel it's
That's what she said. Let's work it into a sentence. Christopher Livingston. No. Christopher Pepper. But no. Christopher Livingston. Eubank.
very good.
Thanks.
Very good.
Now, let's talk about your impressions.
Yeah,
How would-
Eubank's your best, I think.
How? I'll help you out. If you do a punchline to a joke.
All right, and
so
then
Sarah.
so I said to him, right, those aren't sausage rolls, they're bacon baps. That's lovely, Ped. What I would do if I were you is stick some cream on,